अस्सलामुअलैकुम। मेरे चैनल गुरु रोब में खुश आमदीद। तमाम दोस्तों से गुजारिश है कि जिन्होंने मेरा चैनल गुरु रोब अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें और साथ लगे नोटिफिकेशन के बेल आइकन के नोटिफिकेशन को दबाएं ताकि हर मालूमाती वीडियो आप तक बवक्त आसानी से पहुंचती रहे। चले चलते हैं जी हम अपने टॉपिक की तरफ। Adobe Photoshop Mastery Advanced Adobe Photoshop Future. With this detailed course that will transform you into an expert. By Daniel Waterstock, multi-award winning institutional media designing and Adobe certified instruction with 15 years of experience. After completing this completing this course, you will be able to make complex and advanced selection with the verification of the selection tools. Mastery color with professional adjustment carry the analytical com- complex challenge like correctly poorly image, perform advanced retouching, high, highly cooling and purchase. Create some of the training via visual style like two tones treated and double exposure. Add edit basic video, create exposure graph and animate static image for parallels. Create relaxable mocks mocks up with expert technique and shortcut. Master depth and eye correction. Advanced level and covert techniques. Work with skin, advanced fill and opacity layer and export layer comparison. Remove object from image and master 3D design. About this course, if you already understand the fundamental of Photoshop and want to learn how to access your design process and streamline your workflow with export tips and tricks, then this course is the perfect place to start. Filled with advanced technique to initials your skill get set. This course will take you thought everything you need to know to stick talked you designed or editing career to success within a powerful focus of workflow and time saving technique. You will learn how to work faster and more effectively so that you can complete more tasks more professionally. This course this course is full of download and particles examples so that you can gain experience as you go. Even the most avid Photoshop user is bound to find load to useful information in this jam-packed mastery course. Mastery, if you already understand the fundamental of Photoshop and want to learn how to your design process and streamline your workflow with expert tips and tricks and mastery course,